Nein, weil
No, because artificial intelligence has itself no interest in hurting people.
Let's simply think ahead 10 years. I think it'll be absolutely normal to have AI applications in industrial areas.
Hello, I am Kyana, the artificial intelligence from the AlphaJet.
At Koenig & Bauer Coding in Würzburg, artificial intelligence is already present at the table. Here, AlphaJet is manufactured, a printing system for the food industry and other branches. Product labels or sell-by dates are printed at a breathtaking speed. All of this is monitored by Kyana, an interactive control system.
Hello, I am Kyana. Nice to meet you.
With Kyana, the user can interactively control and monitor the printing system using a number of augmented reality supported programs. An on-site service technician can use Kyana and, even more importantly, communicate with Kyana.
Kyana, how does printhead cleaning actually work?
I can guide you step by step through the cleaning procedure. Shall we begin now?
Kyana was developed at the Steinbeis Research Center Design and Systems in Würzburg. It is based on the IBM computer program Watson. During development, the team focused on two main factors. AI Kyana can by itself check the quality of the print image continuously and then independently optimize it. Kyana has also got control in the maintenance and wear and tear of the printer. In this way, a breakdown can be prevented. This is predictive maintenance.
The idea of a digital twin is that we have our technical staff at Koenig & Bauer service, but the actual service is carried out on-site by the customer's technician, who is guided by appropriate AR and VR technologies. So, in effect, we can see the same product digitally at Koenig & Bauer as it is in reality at our customers, an identical twin, so to say.
In industry, the fields of application for AI are wide. Kyana is capable of learning, pleasant in interactive communication, and already almost as clever as the research team under Professor Schulz. The team is already working together with Koenig & Bauer Coding on the next implementations of AI in new printing systems. In other words, the cooperation with Steinbeis is nowhere near completed.
And over and above this first prototype, we have worked out ideas on how to further develop this product together in the future.
I can see a huge potential here because I think that some products will become more and more comparable, in part due to technological changes. In the end, it will be intelligent technology incorporated in a product that results in a decisive competitive advantage.
The use of AI opens up huge market opportunities for innovative companies, and it is good to know that Germany is at the forefront.